Welcome to Day Trading Edge, the channel dedicated primarily to money, trading, and investing, but also tapping into all levels of personal development and shortcuts to a better lifestyle, ultimate health, and healthy relationships with the people around us.
In quantum physics, there's an intriguing notion that particles interact based on their vibrational frequencies. While this concept is still being explored scientifically, some believe it extends to our thoughts and emotions. The idea suggests that positive emotions like gratitude and love resonate at higher frequencies, potentially attracting more positive experiences, while negative emotions may resonate at lower frequencies, possibly drawing more negative outcomes. While this concept may not have conclusive scientific backing, many find value in cultivating positivity and mindfulness, which can lead to a more fulfilling life. It's essential to approach such ideas with an open mind and a critical perspective, acknowledging both their potential benefits and limitations.